This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cole Belter. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this lovely 2-bed, 2-bath condo. Placed in Four Winds, this rarely available third-floor unit with panoramic view of Naples Bay is a must-see condo that has been extremely well maintained and updated with exceptional style and design. The fabulous community also offers full upscale amenities like pool, clubhouse, and tennis courts. Enter inside with high ceilings and immediately admire the open main living area with stunning views of Naples Bay and enjoy the seamless entertainment to the living room and kitchen. This open kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances, ample cabinetry, and beautiful countertops. The master suite has luxury vinyl, walk-in closet, and includes a large attached full bath with dual sinks, and walk-in shower. You will find the additional guest bedroom with luxury vinyl and stunning views of the bay. The additional full bath is fully updated with a walk-in shower. Other features include laundry in unit, parking for guests, and you can purchase or rent up to a 39-foot boat dock directly on your property. Don't miss this amazing opportunity and schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Cole Belter at 239-659-4200.